Hi, welcome to AVA Math Hub. Today I am discussing about the topic Euler's method formula. Yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus h into f of xn comma yn for n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. By using this formula, I will solve two problems. Solve the equation y dash dy by dx and f of x comma y. These three are same. Y dash anna, dy by dx anna, f of x y anna ఒకటే. Is equal to ఏమి ఇచ్చాడంటే ఫంక్షన్ మైనస్ y with the initial conditions y of 0 is equal to 1 means x naught y of 0 means x naught is equal to 0 and y naught is equal to 1. For x is equal to 0.04 in 4 steps. So problem here h is equal to 0.04. We don't know about h value. మనకి h అనేది తెలియదు కాబట్టి ఇందులో h ని ఎలా తీసుకుంటానంటే వాడు ఏదైతే x ఇచ్చాడో x is equal to 0.04 కదా డివైడెడ్ బై 4 స్టెప్స్ కాబట్టి 4 వేసుకుంటే దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0.01. గివెన్ y of 0 is equal to 1. That is x naught is equal to 0 and y naught is equal to 1. These two are initial conditions. We know that yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus h into f of xn comma yn for all n is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on. Now y of 0.01. We have to solve for 4 steps. Y of 0.01 that is equal to, this is the first approximation y1. y1 is equal to, y1 means put n is equal to 0, we get the first approximation y naught plus h into f of x naught comma y naught. That is equal to y1 means 1 plus h means 0.1 f of x naught y naught. So f of x naught y naught means minus y naught. That is equal to minus y naught. Y naught means 1. So minus 1. Minus 1. That is equal to 0.99. So this is the first approximation. And the second approximation, y of 0.02, or that is the second approximation y2, that is equal to, put n is equal to 1. So y1 plus h into f of x1 comma y1, that is equal to y1 means 0.99. Just now we received the value, so 0.99. 0.99 plus h means 0.01 f of x comma x1 comma y1 means value the minus 1 minus y1, y already minus y1 value means 0.99. Finally we get the answer 0.9801. Calculate with the calculator, we get the 0.9801. The third approximation y of 0.03 or y3 is equal to, y3 means y2 plus h of x f of x2 comma y2, that is equal to 0 y2 means 0.9801 plus h means 0.01 f of x2 y2, f of x2 y2 means minus y minus y2 minus 0.9801. That is equal to, finally we get the answer 0.9703. Finally the fourth approximation y of 0.04, that is equal to fourth approximation y3 plus h into f of x3 comma y3, that is equal to y3 means 0.9703 less h means 0.01 f of x comma y లాగా ఉంది కాబట్టి minus y3 means minus 0.9703. Finally, we get 0.9606. So this is the problem. Hence solved. The next problem, solve the equation dy by dx is equal to 1 minus xy with the initial condition x naught is equal to 0 and y naught is equal to 0, or x is equal to 0 or y is equal to 0, using Euler's algorithm, and tabulate the solution at x is equal to 0 0.1, 0 0.2 and 0 0.3. Write the given equation dy by dx. It is nothing but f of x comma y. F of x y x comma y అన్న dy by dx అన్న ఒకటే. ఎంత ఇచ్చాడంటే -1, 1 minus y. And the initial conditions x naught is equal to 0 and y naught is equal to 0. These two are the initial condition. We have h is equal to 0 0.1, means the difference between these two, 0 0.1, 0 0.2 minus 0 0.1, 0 0.1, 0 0.3 minus 0. The difference between these two is h is equal to 0 0.1. Therefore, taking n is equal to 0, we know that the formula yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus h into f of xn comma yn for all n is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on. Now, the first approximation value y1 is equal to y naught plus h into f of x naught comma y naught. That is equal to, what is the value of y naught? 0. Plus h means 0 0.1. F of x naught comma y naught. We know that f of xy is equal to 1 minus y. Now, f of x naught comma y naught means 1 minus y naught. 1 minus y naught means 0. That is equal to 0 0.1. The final answer is 0 0.1. This is the first approximation. And y2 is equal to y1 plus h into f of x1 comma y1. What is the value of y1? y1 means 0 0.1 plus h means 0 0.1 into f of x1 comma y1. We know that f of xy is equal to 1 minus y. And similarly, f of x1 comma y1 means 1 minus y1. 1 minus y1 means 0 0.1. Finally, we get the second approximation value is 0 0.19. So this is the second approximation value. Similarly, the third approximation, and y3 is equal to y2 plus h into f of x2 comma y2. That is equal to y2 value means 0. Just now we collect 0 0.19. That is equal to h is equal to 0 0.1 f of, like this is the in the form of f of x comma y, 1 minus y. So 1 minus y2, 1 minus y2 means 0 0.19. Finally, we get the 0 0.271. This is the third approximation value. So up to already we find 0 0.1, 0 0.2 and 0 0.3. Finally, y 0 0.3, the third approximation. And tabulate user Euler's algorithm and tabulate the solution of these three values. Now we write the tabulation formula, tabulation x and the solution by Euler's method. Euler's method. So this is the tabulation. So x value, put x is equal to 0, we get the value 0. And 0 0.1, and 0 0.2, and 0 0.3. Substituting 0 0.1, we get also 0 0.1. This is the first approximation. In second approximation, what we get? 0.19. In the third approximation, we get 0.271, hence solved. This is the way we have to solve any problem by using the formula Euler's method. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.